Today, we're doing a bike check. So my frame, I have a Colt frame. I have Odyssey twisted PVC pedals, Sunday cranks. I have both Salt rims. And on the other side, I have a Salt sprocket. I have Salt hubs. A Primo headset. Shadow grips.
Very nice, like.
Fit Bike Co. tires, 2.25.
Clamp.
Little Salt seat clamp and a Primo seat post.
Pivotal.
Pivotal.
Thanks for ruining our shots!
You're welcome. Right, for the last bit, I don't know what kind of seat this is, so tell me in the comments below what it is. I have a Shadow chain, a half-link chain. I have Salt bars, and I also have Salt forks, and there's a car.
Nice, dude.
Yes. Hey, didn't see you there. I hope you guys liked my bike check.
Oh, finger in the way.
I hope you liked my bike check. Subscribe for more, and links down below to our first webisode on Brandon Spencer skate bikes. See you guys later.